We're back at Disney's Art of Animation Resort, and today's suite is themed to Finding Nemo. Nemo! I did that for everyone who's going to ask, why didn't you do the Marlin voice? Yes, so again, we are in a Finding Nemo suite, the original wing of the hotel that opened on May 28, 2012. There's just two buildings for Nemo. One of the films with less buildings than Cars and Mermaid. So yeah, let's take a look around. Number one, what's new to the room, this refurbishment or remodel, whatever you'd like to call it, is this sea flooring. There's a couple of pieces of coral here in seaweed. Oh, I'm already tired of doing the voice. There's yeah, it's wavy. You can see there's some texture to it. It looks good though. This is one of the ones where, yeah, they got rid of the carpet, but it works. It's still good. Cars are the only one so far where like, I don't know about the black and gray floor, but yeah. So yeah, on the wall here we have the moonfish have made a turtle, a sea turtle. Above we have cute little bubble lights. We have our table and our end tables here with now with the USB outlets in the wall. These are great because they have lots of character art on all these units. Dory's up there, one of the sharks, some more of the tank gang on that one. We've got some starfish on the table. The table's very cute. And if we take these chairs out, open this guy. Let's just do this now while we're over here. Let's come down. Woo! It's hard to do with one hand without kind of dropping it. We have Nemo and Marlin. Very cute, sleeping in their anemone. And you can, of course, turn up and down the brightness of those with this knob here. All right, let's go in the bathroom, shall we? So we have this, oh, I'm in the shot. We have this great mirror, says fish are friends, and it's a porthole. These cool lights up above. You get a better look at them. It's your vanity with your sink. You have your facial soap, tissues, towels. See, all this is themed to the shark scene. We're in the wreckage of the ship when we're using the restroom facilities. Tile in here. Of course, we have a cute themed shower curtain as we have for all of the rooms here at Art of Animation. I want to talk over that ceiling fan that's getting loud. Let's do that so you can get a good look. Fish are friends, not food. Bruce and the gang with Dory in the middle. And there's, of course, there's a toilet in here. Towel rack. Nice themed tile in here. New to the rooms are the mounted amenities, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There you go. And the mirror is on the back of the door here. Behind the door you have some hooks for towels. So that's the bathroom out here. Let's go into the living room. One of the more colorful and inviting at the resort, I think. We just came out of the Cars one, which was without the orange carpet and the old bedding is a little plain. This is obviously very colorful in relation, as you would expect from Finding Nemo, probably. And there's your new flooring. Not much has changed up here. You have the microwave and your utensils and plates and cups and ice bucket. It's kind of dark over here. We should flip this on, right? There we go. Yeah, this room definitely seems darker. Maybe these units just give up a little less light, but the hallways are darker too. So I feel like it's sort of a thematic choice. The room's bright enough. Like I don't feel like I'm sitting in the dark, but it's definitely darker than the car's room. So yeah, you have your nice mini fridge, which despite being mini, it's definitely bigger than the standard ones at the value resorts. We have our Cuisinart coffee maker, paper towels. There's the sink. And under here we have extra paper towels, some storage space, the fire extinguisher. There's our big trash can and recycling unit. Temperature control behind me. We have the moonfish have made Marlin, just like they do in the movie, to make fun of him. With this colorful orangish reddish sofa. These are not original to the room, but I think they started changing these out before they redid the floors. Originally, there were these green plastic, they looked like tables, but I guess they could be tables or seats. I don't think people got that, so they made something that very clearly someone could sit on if the kids wanted to sit near the TV. So they changed it to these, a little less thematic, same color. But what is thematic is this chair. I love this weird, like 60s style swivel chair. It's great. It's also super comfortable. In the corner, we have this great lamp. Very cute. This is, of course, like the other rooms, activated by that foot button, foot pedal, if you will. And here you have Crush. Crush is on this one. And so what they did was originally the TV was mounted on a stand that was here. And so now they've got new TVs they've mounted to the wall. And up here, instead, they attach these pieces back here, which have your USB and your standard outlets. And now you have more counter space too. A good change, a very good change. And then you have the closet unit out here with Bruce. Bruce is hiding back there. And Squirt's down there. So you have your extra bedding. You have a place to hang stuff. You have some storage space down here, which also has your pillows, additional pillows in there. As for this, you have, we didn't really talk about it. You have two smaller drawers and two very big drawers. That's the living room. We'll come back. Obviously, this opens. We're going to come back and do that in a few moments. But let's go look at the main bedroom. This wall needs something back here. I think they need something on that wall. We'll go ahead and close this so we get a better look at what's in the room. Again, you have your bubble lights up there. You have these great jellyfish lamps. Jellyfish! As Marlin would say. Which are the new setup with the, they have the two USB and the two standard outlets on there. And again, they got rid of like a second level of shelving there. Made this a little more functional. Just some more space to put your electronics up there. Peach is on here. You have a drawer. You have some storage space under that. I like that all of these are actually different. That's cute. Another one of the kids. I don't remember his name. Over here. Another jellyfish lamp and more outlets. And then we've got Mr. Ray, Nemo, and Marlin on this main unit, which is very similar to the Crush one out there. Same thing, two small drawers, two big drawers. I like that they made this one kind of wavy. But yeah, that has your, again, your USB and standard outlets. This is the newer TV, as we've talked about, the Samsung Smart TV. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work with Apple devices yet, but hopefully, like Coronado, it eventually will. But for now, if you happen to have a Samsung phone, you're in business, you can stream Disney Plus or whatever service you want to the TV. No closets with doors in these rooms, so you have your extra pillow and blanket up there. The hangers are there. You have your ironing board and iron, the safe, luggage rack all in here, and another bathroom, which again, just like the other one, is themed to that shipwreck from the shark scene. You have the bigger vanity here, hair dryer, etc. The makeup mirror that lights up, of course. And like I've said before, these are real big bathrooms, the ones for the parents. There is no bath in this one, it's just a shower. But again, if you need a tub, it's in the other bathroom. Mounted amenities. They just appreciate for being a value room. These are nice, big, spacious bathrooms in the main bedroom, which is nice. Again, there's the markings that make it look like it's part of the shipwreck. Yeah. One of the things they also changed was the curtains. I think they realized they were losing something with the rug, and they colored things up with these curtains a bit. The walls got painted too. This alternating light blue with dark blue is a new thing. It helps. I think it definitely helps. The other big change in here, they took the bed higher off the ground with the new frame, and so there is room for your bag under there, the new standard Disney thing. Sadly, again, we've lost all the bedding. The original comforter was colorful and covered in coral, and then we had the bed runner, which was covered in coral and special sheets, and all that's gone now. It's just the generic value resort bedding with the circles, which is a shame. I would ask Disney to please reevaluate that choice. If you're going to get rid of the comforter and you're going to get rid of the runner, you should have the themed sheets to make a difference to people. I want to see these same circle sheets everywhere. We got to look at this headboard, though. It's buried under 6 pillows. I don't know which adults need 6 pillows. Oh, our headboard's scratched. That's sad. I don't remember his name, the annoying little... I'm obnoxious, that guy. But a cute headboard. Where's the scratch? Makes me sad. Yeah, plenty of pillows for adults. Every room has 6 pillows. I'll ask a serious question of everyone at home. Who needs so many pillows? Like I've been told that me having 2 behind my head is excessive. But I mean, obviously, look how fluffy these are. Like they're out almost 1/3 of the bed is covered in the pillows. But I, of course, would rather have more than have less. It's better to, if you want a pillow, an extra pillow, it's here. You have more than enough pillows in this room. Yeah. And I guess now it's time to open this bad boy. So let's move these. These are probably easier to move. Oh, much easier. Wow. Those are super light. That's much easier. Okay, so let's do what we got to do over here. The other thing that's interesting, so when they redid the flooring, since this is all tile now, they got to do the same tile all the way through. Since the rest was carpeted, the area around the kitchenette had a little bit of tile there, but now everything in the room's evened out. These rooms do have a little more wear I can see on the walls and stuff than the other ones, because these were redone, I think, earlier in the project. Mermaid obviously looked brand new because it was the first day and they had just redone them. Cars should have been the first one they did. Maybe we just had a particularly good room and hadn't had a lot of guests yet. Okay, we got everything out of the way. This is looks to be one of the American leather units that they make for Disney. It's not labeled as such, but it looks like the rest. Oh, I just pulled the whole thing. You're supposed to do this with 2 hands, folks, by the way. All right, I did it. This one was a bit of a fight. It didn't want to come out. I had to fight it a bit. But yeah, these are comfortable enough. I like them. I would suggest putting your children on them and not the adults in the party. But some of you may be traveling with more than 2 adults. But I will tell you, for an adult, these are fine. I would not put an adult on this thing. Wouldn't do that. Put a kid on that thing. I think this is more comfortable personally, but I don't know, maybe you'll feel differently. But yeah, this is a Finding Nemo suite at Disney's Art of Animation Resort, now reopened here at Walt Disney World. The other great thing about Art of Animation is the interior hallways, which mean you have exterior windows. I mean, we're on the first floor here. This is pretty though. We got some flowers. We can see the building. I have a lake view. There's some water there. So that's the nice thing is you have a window. You have a window here, and I forgot to show you guys the window. The other room, obviously, it'll be a similar view. But yeah, I mean, there's also a unit there, but otherwise it's good. But yeah, that is, again, our Finding Nemo family suite at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Nemo!